It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, it is time for another crochet hair install video. In today's crochet hair, as you also saw from the title, is a hair you guys have been asking me to try religiously. You guys have asked me to try it so many times on this channel, or asked, have I ever tried it? I have not ever tried it until this day. This wonderful sunny day here in June is my first day ever trying a Yanky Twist hair. That's right. Today's hair is sponsored by EayonHair. You guys have been wanting me to try a Yanky Twist forever and ever and ever, and now I'm finally trying one. Now, this particular hair from EayonHair, this is what it looks like in the package. It is their Yanky Twist. It's 22 inches and it is in their natural color. Now, EayonHair did send me 3 packs of this hair. 3 packs of this hair. I know it looks like, oh my gosh, there's so much more. Eayon has recently changed their packaging of hair where this is what one pack is. These two together. These two. I know this was in a pack. Let me for the demonstration make it clear. This is one pack while this is considered a half pack, if that makes sense. So this is one pack. Adding this in, because I've already taken it out of this package, is 1.5. Then adding one more, this would be 2. Adding one more, this would be 2.5. And then adding one last, that is 3. Like I said, they sent me 3 packs of this. Now, overall, the hair looks like this. So it has kind of the same look as most, a more defined top, and then the ends kind of have a frayed, natural looking look. It feels good. It smells like bundle hair. It smells just like the last EayonHair that I tried, which was that wet and wavy. I think they all have a distinct smell about them. 48 to 50 strands is what's in my hand, and then a total pack. So again, 2 of these, which makes 1 pack. If you order 1 pack on the site, you get 2 of these, and that would be close to 98 to 100, I believe they define on their site. Now, in terms of a braid pattern, you're like, girl, your braids are looking a little fuzzy, wuzzy over there. What's going on? I'm reusing an old braid pattern. If you remember, this braid pattern just 3 weeks ago looked fresh to death. This is that same braid pattern that you're seeing on screen right now that I had for the wet and wavy. We love to reuse, redo, and recycle over here, and we're recycling this braid pattern because it worked so well the last time, and I was like, I feel like this was a braid pattern type where it would only look better with age. I might be wrong. That might be the laziness talking. Like, do I want to reuse? I do. So I reuse this. This was 3 weeks old. I did have that wet and wavy in for 3 weeks, and I am ready to rock and roll. Now, they do send you a full kit. You've seen the full kit that EayonHair sends in my other videos. I do also have the crochet needle that they send, and I will be using that today to install this hair upon this braid pattern. If you want to see how I achieve the look that you probably previewed in the first 4 seconds of this video, just keep watching. So a closer look at a strand of the hair, of course, like the last and every EayonHair that I've tried, it has the string there for security with your install. Human hair does need a mechanism for it to stay, and that string is that mechanism. All I'm going to do to install is push the crochet needle through my braid, attach the hair, then pull both the needle and the hair through, remove the needle away. In this first clip, you see me pull the hair through twice. I don't think that's necessary with this hair. This isn't a very silky hair. I think you will be fine with pulling the hair through once. So for my next strand, and when I repeat the process, I'm going to pull the hair through the loop 1 time and do that throughout the head. Again, when it's a more silky human hair, I think you definitely need to knot it multiple times. When it's a hair like this that has a more kinkier texture, I think you're good with pulling it through once, and that will make an easier takedown for sure. And I'm going to continue this process throughout my head of inserting the needle, pulling it through, looping it once, and moving along.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah.
got with half of a pack.
You, I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
And this is how far I got with one pack. Moving on to the next. This is 1.5 packs or 1.5. So now this is the finished look. 22 inches uncut. I think because of the way the hair is structured, it's not meant to be cut. Again, the great thing about Yanky Twist is it goes down into like little like twists. It's like when you twist your own hair up in a very thin way. Wouldn't it look crazy if like you just chop the ends of that off and you would just kind of ruin the twist? I think the twist is meant to be. So if you buy a specific length that you're looking for, they do have 16, 18, or 20, and 22. 22, the length I have, is their longest length. This is what it would look like unaltered. 2 full packs for you. I mean, this is all I have left of the second pack. So 2 full packs are in my head. Again, they sent me 3. So I have 2 of these left. So I think you can get a full head. I think you would be completely fine with 2 packs. Now 2 packs, the exact same listing I have in my head as I'm currently looking. 2 packs at 22 inches. Of course, it's in its natural color, is $339. Now, if you want to buy 2.5, which again, I don't think you'll need, you'll have a little bit left, but if you want to do 2.5 packs, 2 packs already says it's a full head, but 2.5 packs would be 250 strands because again, 2 packs is 200 strands. That would bring your total to $379. Of course, it would also fluctuate if you went lower in length. And I also have a coupon code as well. I'll put it on screen to save a little bit off your total as well. Now, in terms of the overall install, quick and easy. Took me less than an hour 15 total to install into my head. In terms of knotting the hair, just pulled it through once. There are times throughout my head where I pulled it through twice. You guys probably saw and was like, that's not once. When your hand has been doing the same mechanisms over and over again, it's hard to beat habit. But I think knotting it one time is going to make for easier removal when it is time to take this hair down. I think it's very lightweight. Again, it's not like heavy twist. They're very Yanky Twist type style, so very thin styles, which is good. You want a breathable style, especially if your plan is to wear something like this in the summer when it's already hot. You don't want a warm helmet on your head. That's not at all what you want to do. I can already foresee this is going to be a low maintenance hair because I don't even see how it could change. It's not like this is a hair where you can straighten or you can flat iron or all this. Is human, so you can do what you want with it, but it is also like one of those hair that I think this look that you're seeing right now is going to be pretty much what I'll be giving the totality of me wearing it. And I know for myself, I do like a low maintenance, not very overwhelming, and I'm gonna have to do a lot of work here, but sometimes I'm ready to put work in. That last Eayon wet and wavy hair, I was ready to put the work in because I like the look of it. But you guys let me know down below what you think. What are your thoughts? Is it too much? Is it just right? And are you happy that I finally tried a Yanky Twist hair? Let me know everything you think down below. Also, thank you EayonHair for collaborating with me. You guys out there have been giving me suggestions for other hair you guys want me to try from this brand. Again, I'm all ears down below. below in that comment section. While you're down there, give this video a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't enjoy it, we want all the love and support over here on this channel, as well as we want you to subscribe so you don't miss a thing we do over here, and have that notification bell on so you're assured you don't miss a thing we do over here. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 to keep up with my shenanigans in real time. TikTok at Lia Lavon, which is a few more shenanigans in a bit more real time. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.